across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Fridaos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 easy to go hijab style. I'll be using this my chiffon scarf to style it with you guys. I'll be showing you guys 5 different hijab style without pin, easy to go hijab styles. So if this looks like what you're interested in, stay tuned and watch to the end. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing I will always advise all hijabis to do is to get yourself this mini hijab cap. Mini under hijab. It's very okay to use. It's very useful. It's easy to go. It will always protect you anytime, even if you have your hijab on and all of that and it spills, you'll be like, oh, I'm covered. So always make sure get yourself this under hijab. And if my style I'll share with you guys is this longer. This side is long, this side is very tall, and if you're the type that is always concerned about the pin, you can just pin it down here like this, and if you are pinning down, and yeah, you are ready to go. That's for the first style, and the next style is this. It's still the same process, but it's very a little bit different. So you go in with this yourself, then you fold it as usual. Cause for me, I always like to fold my hijab at the top like this. Then you fold it, then you place it on your head when you want it, and then it will be like equal size. You'll be equal. Right? So it's equal. Then you cross it over like this. Then back. Then everything will like this back. And it's easy to go. Anytime you want go for to get something in the store and all of that. I think that is very easy. So the next style I'll be sharing with you guys today was this style. I mean, you throw, I don't know if you guys can see, but you throw one side in, but you make sure it's shorter, one is shorter and one is longer. The one you are throwing to the back will be the one that will be longer, then you throw it like this. So one will go like this. And the other one will be hanging, and this one will cross, and the other one will be hanging. So if you have tiger like this, you can place it down here. I mean, and if you have your other hijab secure, very secure, this hijab style. We'll be styling to the clothes. After you place your scarf, just throw it to the back and pick this one, this. Here you want to style it, and you throw it to the back, and everything at the back. So this style is very easy when you have your under hijab. So don't forget to shop your under hijab. So always make sure your scarf is secure. So let's go. Guys, so simple and easy. Very cute, very demure, very simple. Hijab style I'll be sharing with you guys today. Last but not least, hijab style I'll be sharing with you guys today. It's very useful. Then like unfold. You know, like I love folding my hijabs, but then this one will unfold and then you throw it into, like you both this end, what is it? You now put this to end like this, this to end, then you cross over, this one will use and then you have your flowing hijab style, the front to the end. And for those people that don't like to end their hijab, you always start with the hijab here and the back. So now this hijab is the hijab here and the back, you have your flowing hijab style. Look at this. Look at this. Look at your flowing hijab style. Very cute, very demure, very mindful. We'll show it. So I'm like very easy hijab style that I share with you. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? As you all know, my name is Fridaos and you are welcome to my channel. So if you are enjoying this, if you are watched to this extent, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Share to as more people that you think that this video will be useful to them, and don't forget to like this video and drop a comment for me any hijab style you would love me to like do for you. So I hope you guys like this hijab style. It's like very flowy. Look at the front side, look at how it's crossed at the front, and at the back the same thing. It's so nice. And if you are the type that likes your hijab to be secure at the back, you can always use a pin to hold it at the back. But as you all know, this video is like meant to be a pin-free hijab style. So these are pin-free hijab style that I'm here to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.